Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and today we're going to draw a bat because it's Halloween. The first thing we're going to start with is an oval shape. Once we have that, we can change up our lines, break it up a little bit with some jagged lines, and give the look of some fur. Pause this video as you need to work at your own pace. Also, you'll want to erase the lines that you don't need as we move along. Now it's time for the ears. So we'll make these a rounded triangular shape, breaking up those lines once again to give the appearance of fur, and then inside you can draw that same shape. And there is the inside where you can add some color if you would like to. Let's add a nose right in the center of the face. You can make it very small, like my shape, or just even an oval if that's easier. And now we've got two eyes, and they're going to go very close to the nose. So don't let that nose be too low on your face. I have two big ovals because nice big eyes are super cute in cartoons. Inside you can draw another oval. This is actually called the iris. This is the color of the eye. Draw another circle. This is the black part, the pupil of the eye. And I like to draw a circle where I'm going to keep white. That is the white spot in my eye. So I fill this part in. That'll help you see what we're doing. Later, it's really fun to give this bat green or purple eyes. Here's a fun fact about bats. They can find their food in total darkness, all through echolocation. For a mouth, you can draw a simple line, a smile, or you can add a couple fangs, like two triangles, like I just did. Bats can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes an hour. They can consume their own body weight in insects every night. This helps keep bug populations in check. Let's move on to the body where we have another oval shape. Beside that, I'm going to draw his little hands, but they're going to look like they're tucked into the body with some simple curved lines. Did you know baby bats are called pups? This guy could look like a little pup, and mothers only have about one pup a year. This makes them very vulnerable to extinction. For the feet, draw the line coming inward, like a little triangle and a circle on the bottom. That can also be drawn as three ovals, which could show it as claws. I'll do the same for the other side, so you can keep it simple, or you can add your little claws. If you like bananas, avocados, and mangoes, you can thank the bats because they're very good at pollinizing those fruit plants. Let's spread our wings and fly. Near the bottom of the head, draw two curved lines upward. From the end of those, curve out two lines to the side. Let's do that again by adding two more curved lines from the same starting point, bringing them a little lower onto the body. Watch first as I use curved lines that move up into the wing to connect all of the points. I start from the outside, curve my line up, and move in toward the body. We need nice big wings because bats actually are fast flyers. They can reach speeds of 60 miles an hour, and some can get up to 100 miles an hour. That's more than what your parents will drive on the highway, at least we hope. Now you don't have to do this step, but if you want to add a little extra lines beside your other lines, that'll just give you another spot to put in some shading and make it a little more interesting. But it's entirely up to you. During the day, bats will sleep under buildings, caves, and even trees, which is what we're going to draw now. So starting from the side, try Try to make the line come right under that little foot. Make it kind of thick to thin, right underneath the little claws, and at the very end, you'll see I try to make it look like it is split, kind of like the letter Y. Then you can add some leaves at the end of that. And now we're ready to color. When you color, try to add more than one color. As you can see, I'm adding a darker outline in this just to help my bat stand out. Inside the wings, add a couple different shades and color on top of each other, filling in all that white space, and your pictures are gonna pop. Thank you so much for doing another draw at home with Tupperberry art. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, come back and draw with me again, and have a happy Halloween.